No child under the age of 10 has died from the virus in Colorado. How effective they are at spreading it, though, that's what's still being studied. Denver 7's Jason Grenauer with that, and what children lose by not being in class.
So far, we've had 0.
But the lack of a positive COVID case at Lori Phipps' pediatric office doesn't mean she's not concerned for students returning to class this fall.
Can children get sick? Absolutely. I think they're less at risk than some of the other populations.
That's why she believes it's okay for schools to open with masks, hand washing, social distancing, and other precautions.
The risk of their mental health and well-being, which is also very important for pediatricians. Like I said, I think we kind of owe it to find a safe way for them to go back.
But as a healthcare provider, she still has questions, especially when spikes in colds, flu, strep throat, and other viruses usually increase every fall anyway.
If Susie has a fever, I'm assuming it's going to be COVID until proven otherwise. So then we have to get her out, get her tested. Do we close the classroom? Is that teacher quarantined? Is the class quarantined?
But I think the answer is not one size fits all.
Dr. Reginald Washington is the chief medical officer for the Rocky Mountain Hospital for Children.
We've had a couple of deaths, so we really respect how bad COVID can become.
He's also kept his eye on the data, showing children who are infected with the virus are less symptomatic and less contagious than adults, though they can be asymptomatic carriers of the virus.
That leads some experts to say it's safer for younger kids to go back to school, preschool and that age group, maybe kindergarten through 6th or 7th grade, as opposed to high school students.
But he warns districts should be flexible, ready to cancel class or even not open altogether if a spike happens.
If there's a very large increase in COVID cases in a particular community, it's probably not a good idea to go to school.
In Denver, I'm Jason Grenauer, Denver 7.